Ever feel like no matter what you do, your beard just won't grow the way you want it to? Let me guess. You tried every so-called miracle product out there, yet the patches stay, leaving you more frustrated than before. But what if I told you there were a few tools and a couple key techniques that can actually make a difference? No hype, no gimmick. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you how to fill in your beard naturally and quickly, using a few simple tricks that you probably haven't tried. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Before we jump into the techniques, you got to kill the mistakes that are keeping your beard from growing. Fix these and real progress is yours. Let's start with one of the biggest mistakes. Why would you pour oil on a beard if you wouldn't pour it on a plant? Anti-androgenic oils choke off the hormones your beard needs to grow. It's like trying to fuel a car with water. If you're serious about growing a fuller beard, ditch them. Stick with beard-friendly oils like jojoba or argan that fuel your beard, not block it. But oils aren't the only problem. You've got to watch what you do right after derma rolling. Putting oil on after derma rolling, that's like sealing a wound plastic wrap. Your skin needs air to heal, and oils smother that. Let it breathe. Next up, how you treat your beard daily can make or break it. Overbrushing is like hacking a plant with the machete. Too much force destroys growth. Rough brushing weakens your beard and causes breakage. Use a boar bristle brush with gentle strokes. Stimulate growth and cover patches without tearing your beard apart. And finally, a mistake that holds back so many: falling for quick fixes. Believing in quick fixes is the quickest way to get nowhere. There's no magic serum. A full beard takes consistent effort, the right tools, and time. Stick with the proven routine and watch the results come in. We've exposed the mistakes that's crushing your beard growth. Now we jump into solutions that get real results. These are the exact methods that turn patchy into powerful and get you that thick, full beard. After derma rolling, apply hyaluronic acid. It's like fuel for your skin, speeding up healing and helping your beard grow faster and fuller. Studies show that hyaluronic acid accelerates recovery and boosts skin regeneration. The faster your skin heals, the quicker your beard fills in, getting you closer to the full beard you want. Don't let patchy spots hold you back. If you skip this step, you're delaying the progress you deserve. Master this technique, your beard won't just grow, it'll thrive. But there's another tool that can take your beard growth to the next level. The derma roller is your beard's secret weapon. Think of it like opening the floodgates for your beard growth. By creating microchannels, it drives more blood to the roots and kickstarts growth where it's needed most. Studies show that using a derma roller with a beard topical doesn't just increase absorption, it kickstarts your beard's growth by stimulating collagen production. This isn't optional if you're serious about filling in those gaps. Tired of staring at those weak spots? Imagine waking up to a stronger, thicker beard that's even all over. The derma roller does exactly that. If you want real growth, this is your tool. Grab your beard activator and give your beard the boost it needs. It powers absorption and forces deeper growth at the roots. And right now, you'll get 25% back on your first order. Your beard's next level is just one click away. Use the derma roller 2 to 3 times a week and watch your beard transform faster than you thought possible. Finally getting the fullness you've been working for. Now that we boosted your beard from the outside, let's power it up from the inside with a powerful combo. Retinol might seem like just another skincare product, but when combined with minoxidil, it does something powerful, like unlocking the final piece of the puzzle for beard growth. Some users report that retinol boosts hair growth, acting like fertilizer for your skin. A study combining tretinoin with minoxidil proved that this combo delivers stronger results, like turning up the water pressure for your hair follicles. When you use retinol with minoxidil, you'll speed up your beard growth, filling in those patchy spots faster and getting closer to that fuller, thicker beard. But what if you can take your routine to the next level with something even simpler? Low-level light therapy supercharges blood flow to your beard, waking up dormant follicles like flipping the switch on a stalled engine. Research shows triple LT can speed up hair growth. A study with over 1,300 users found that nearly 80% saw real hair regrowth using this therapy. Imagine finally filling in those frustrating patchy spots. Triple LT gives your beard the push it needs to grow fuller and thicker. Want even faster results? Use it daily alongside the right routine, and you'll see those thin areas fill in even faster. Make Triple LT part of your daily routine for just 10 minutes a day and combine it with other growth solutions to see the best results. You've got what it takes to grow a thicker beard. But let's be real, doubts can still creep in. Will this actually work? Is it safe? How fast can you expect results? Let's crush those concerns right now. First question that everyone asks, will this actually work? This works works. These techniques fire up beard growth, whether it's genetics or patchy spots slowing you down. Thousands of guys have gone from patchy to powerful with these exact methods. Follow the plan and you'll get results too. Commit to the process and watch your beard fill in, just like theirs. Next up, how safe is this routine? Let's be clear. These methods are tested and trusted. Minoxidil, hyaluronic acid, and the derma roller are used worldwide. And if you're still unsure, a quick check with your dermatologist will give you peace of mind. Use them right and your beard will grow safely and stronger than ever. How long until you see that full beard? Let's talk timing. Beard growth takes time, but it's certain. Most men see results in 3 to 6 months. Not instant, but real lasting growth. Stay on track and the beard you want is just around the corner. Still worried those stubborn patches won't fill in? Let's fix that. Some areas take longer, but don't worry. Tools like low-level light therapy will wake up those follicles. And for the rare few who need more, advanced options like beard transplants are available. With the right approach, your beard will grow. Keep going and you'll see the results. You've got the answers. Now stick to the plan. The beard you want is within reach. Stay patient, stay committed, and watch it happen. You've learned how to grow a thicker beard, but there's one thing holding most guys back: making grooming mistakes that ruin the look of their beard. Want to avoid these mistakes and make sure your beard looks its best? Click the next video to discover the biggest beard grooming mistakes that can be making you look, well, let's just say not the best. Avoid these and you'll take your beard game to a whole new level.